Hello guys, I was contacted by Raycon to see if I would like to do a review video on these active noise canceling earbuds. And of course you guys know that I do love to stay fit and work out, do my exercise and all that type of stuff. And so earbuds are the perfect thing for me to do a review on. Here are the boxes that I received. Okay, and as you can see, it has a box that comes with a charger, and then there's another box that has the different sizes of earpieces, and I will show those to you here in just a little bit. And it comes with a cool sticker. Okay, it comes with 4 extra sets of different sizes. I believe it's like small, medium, large, extra large. And I think the size that came on the earbuds were a size medium. Okay, and here's the charger. It has a USB on the end of it. And here they are. This is the charging case that it comes with, and it came with an extra accessory case. This case has a 32-hour battery life. It's ergonomic design, and it has a quick charge. 10 minutes equals 1.5 hours of battery. So that's just great. And then it comes with this extra little strap here and this accessory case right here. Your charging case just fits right in there, which is very nice. And I believe this one is the Purple Clouds, and then the earbuds are Blush Violet. Okay, here we are with the earbuds charging case inside of the accessory case, and it fits just perfectly in there. And you have the left and the right. Very pretty. All right, let's take a look at the, I guess maybe that's the left. And then let's take a look at the right earbud. These are noise canceling, dust proof and waterproof, by the way. And here is a shot of everything that you will receive between the everyday protective case and the everyday earbuds. Now here is a shot of how they look in your ear. And here they are in my ear. I would also like to mention that these everyday earbuds come in 4 colors with matching cases that you can pick to go with them. All right, so I'm going to walk around a little bit, and I do have the sound on the radio that I'm listening through. It's very good sound. So while I'm walking around listening to music, I thought maybe I would tell you a little bit about Raycon. Raycon is on a mission to create a better everyday, thorough, reliable, accessible, and delightful technology. After 1,000 plus ear scans globally, they've nailed it down, an ergonomic earbud designed to fit the widest range of ears. And you saw all the gel tips that came in the package. And another thing that's really good is that the price is right. They've pinned the prices that actually make sense for the people. It says save your money for that special date. Oh yes, they have a try it first, not satisfied, no problem policy. Raycon offers a 30-day happiness guarantee and free returns. So this product works great for my lifestyle because I have a very active lifestyle, and since I crochet and have a YouTube channel, then I can use the earbuds when I'm editing my videos so that I'm not disturbing others while I work. This company, Raycon, also offers speakers, fitness earbuds, everyday earbuds Pro, and impact earbuds, along with the accessories and things like that. So I would recommend these to my friends because of the noise canceling, the quick charge, the 32-hour battery life, the choice of colors, and the cases, the little matching cases. And so yes, I would recommend that. So guys, go out there and click on raycon.com. I have the link below, and shop. Just shop now.